Comfort to you, comfort to you. We ain't got nothing to do with where you are, or where you've been,
Hola.
or where you're going. Comfort to you, comfort to you. Has got something to do with who you are, and how you've loved, and how you've pain, and how you've sorrow. Until you know that who you are ain't too far from the truth. So walk on.
So we're gonna have to properly contrast the neighborhood and the resorts.
Just truth where comfort cries and captured calm, past beyond its fear or calm, holding on and holding on. A revolution of mine has
¿Cómo se llama?
Juan Carlos Cuello.
Juan Carlos y Williams.
Sí.
Y he was very happy. Está feliz, ¿no?
Sí, yo necesito una ayuda. Con el sentimiento que yo tengo, que le tengo a los turistas, yo quiero pedirle a ellos que me den una ayuda porque quiero encontrar la felicidad allá en Nueva York. Que mi
Por los
sentimiento,
animales.
sí, por los animales, y que mi sentimiento llegue allá a alguna persona que le llegue a su corazón y que me ayude a conseguir ese viaje para allá, que esa es la felicidad que yo busco.
He said he's really happy for the help, and it makes his heart happy to see that we're helping the animals, and it's a good thing. And I noticed the first time he told me he was holding his rosary, the cross, so I think it means a lot.
fine either way. Comfort to you, comfort to you, goes right through you and travels away. Won't it stay? It travels away from your love to your pain, where it remains until you know that all you know is who you are.
Palabras son difíciles. Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, vayan con Dios y suerte.
Gracias. He just said go with God.